online class. Just have summarized. The next thing is uh, they started to learn the agents, simple agents we have seen. Then we have seen the model-based agents, and then we have seen goal-based agents, right? And remaining two are utility-based agents and learning agents. So I'll share a screen with you so that you can understand. Okay. Hope screen is visible to everyone.
सर स्क्रीन दिसत नाहीये तुमची.
Just check. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कोणाला दिसत नाही असं आहे का कोणी? Okay. So it is visible to everybody. So environment, regarding environment, we have discussed yesterday, those who are present, like environment can be static, environments can be dynamic, environments can be just for observation. Again, in that types are partial or uh, fully observable, fully monitoring kind of thing. Then discrete, so we can discriminate. Episodic environments will be there. Continuous environments are there. So this is the agent. You can look. So agent receives the perception. Here it is written perception, and it takes an action, right, on the environment. And these are the types of agents. And they have arranged that they do have the capabilities to handle complex environments more. So simple, so model based will be more capable than simple. Goal based will be more capable than model. Utility based will be more capable than goal based, and learning will be again more capable rather than utility to handle the complex environments. So that this is how they are arranged, increasing in generality and ability to handle complex environments. Simple reflex agents, which we have seen yesterday, still will go one more time so that collectively you can understand all five agents. So this is what is the figure for simple reflex agents. Just a bit. Okay. So agents will have senses, as I said. Okay. So these are the senses. So agent will have a senses, and through the environment they can receive the inputs. For example, I want to check the condition of the room, check the environment, temperature of the room. So I will have a temperature sensor. So temperature sensor will sense the temperature inside the room, right? So it indicates what is the world is like right now. So what is the current status of the room. So room is becoming environment where I have to keep the temperature of the room nearby 22, right? म्हणजे माझा एसी ऑन आहे रूम मध्ये आणि रूम मध्ये मला 22 टेम्परेचर मेंटेन करायचं आहे. त्यासाठी एक सेन्सर दिलाय की सेन्सर काय करतोय कंटिन्युअसली रूमचं टेम्परेचर सेन्स करतोय म्हणजे करंट स्टेटस. मग हा एजंटला तो माहिती देतोय सेन्सर्स कलेक्ट करून ह्या एन्व्हायरमेंट कडून. होप यू अंडरस्टँड द एन्व्हायरमेंट राईट नाव. So there is environment as a room where AC is on, and our job as an agent, our job is to maintain the room temperature up to 22 degrees centigrade Celsius. So sensors are collecting information from environment and they are updating that. Suppose right now all doors are open, all windows are open of the room, and that's why the room temperature is 29, right? So agent identified the environment condition using the temperature sensor, and temperature sensor giving the information that current room temperature is 29 degrees centigrade. But we have defined rule that room temperature should be maintained 22, and if room temperature is more than 22 we should decrease. Just a minute. लागणार असेल तर घे. So if room temperature is more than 22, then we should decrease it. And if room temperature is below 22, we should increase it. So these are the actions which are defined. So based on conditions, the actions. So that is a defining rule. Here it is. So agent have also with him sensors giving the information that current environment temperature is 29. So there is a condition that if room temperature is more than 22, then it should be decreased. And for that purpose, we can make AC a little bit performing more, right? So conditions. So in AC, we can set the temperature maybe as per our requirement, maybe increasing, maybe decreasing. So we'll set that. Suppose current AC is on low. There can be frequencies, low, high, medium, something like that, right? So currently the AC is low, it is on, it is low. And when AC is on low condition, the room temperature is not maintained 22. So what is needed? Again, we are defining here action rule. So one and second rule is that one rule is check room temperature. If it is above 22, decrease the temperature. Check temperature. If it is below 22, increase the temperature and make it 22. And for that purpose, if you require to increase, make or turn your AC in from low to medium or medium to higher as per the requirement. And if I have to decrease the temperature, make your AC from high to medium or medium to low, or if required, close it, make it off. So these are the four conditions. So we got these conditions and action rules here. Sensor will give you current status of the room, and current status 29. So actions. So what actions I should take? Action that I should decrease the temperature to 22, and for that purpose I should make AC from low to medium, right? And this is done by using the effectors or actuators. मग actuators किंवा effectors काय करणार? So these actuators or effectors without human intervention will turn that AC from low to medium. And there you require a mechanical operation. And the device which does that is called as actuator or effector. Hope you are clear with now. And then it is implemented. So actions are performed. Still, sensors will continually sense the temperature and they feel that it is now 22. 22, it's okay, maintain. Unless and until the temperature goes decreasing or goes on increasing. So this is how the simple reflex agents works. Are you clear? Anybody have any doubt here? Anybody have any doubt? If you are clear, next things are very easy. This is how the simple agents work. Hope you understand the agent now, those who are absent yesterday. There are sensors, there are effectors, actuators, and there are this kind of defined rules. Okay, next. Assuming that nobody have any problem. If you have any problem, you can raise.
Sir, can you please repeat again?
Who is this?
Sakshi.
Sakshi, you are present yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. So this is how the agent works. So this is a simple agent. Simple agent will have capacity that it is having the sensors to receive the input signals from the environment. There are effectors who can do the mechanical operation. And there are some conditions, rules defined. And this is how the agent works. So agent want to know the environment condition. So now our example is that this environment is nothing but it is a simple room where there is already AC is there. And there are some effectors, such a technology is used that we can make it on and off. Such kind of capability this agent have without human intervention. So we can assume that I have slept in the room. Now, if I am feeling very cold, I have to wake up and I have to close the AC or make AC off. Another thing is I have slept and if I feel, you can sense no. In sleeping also you can feel that now it is bit warm. Again I have to get up and make that AC on or convert that AC if it is on low to medium, medium to high, like that. Now if I slept, if I am feeling cold or if I am feeling warm, rather than I'm waking up, can anybody do this? Can anybody adjust? So before I go to sleep, I'll instruct, maintain the room temperature 22. And I go to sleep, I'll sleep. Somebody who will receive this signal and takes action as per requirement. So he will use as an agent, so agent is doing this. So this agent will use sensors. Sensors will continuously check the room temperature. If room temperature goes beyond 22, it will inform. So what is the word is like now it is written that it will give you the current status of the environment. Environment is room. So current temperature is suppose it is 29. Now sensors will give this information and what is action I need to take. So agent will decide action based on the conditions. Conditions are written. If room temperature is below 22, increase the temperature and make it 22. If room temperature is above 22, decrease the temperature and make it 22. So these are the conditions written. And for that purpose, you need to make AC on if it is off, or off if it is on. AC if it is on low, make it medium, make it high. If AC is on high, make it medium, make it low. So these are all things written. These are the rules. Now current room temperature is 29. We have to maintain 22. So tell me, Sakshi, what is required to do? Listen, Sakshi is answering. Can you answer, Sakshi?
Sir, can you repeat the question, please?
If you are not listening, what I should repeat?
The issue is the current issue, so I didn't hear the question.
See,
I
that is
got
what
the concept.
that is what I am saying. If you are not listening, what should I repeat?
I got the concept, sir.
No, tell me answer that. If current room temperature is 29 and I have to maintain 22, what is required?
I have to give the instruction to the sensor to maintain the room temperature.
Sensor will make this thing.
Smart sensors can do that, sir. If we will give the instructions to the sensor.
Sakshi, pay attention. I'm not against any student, right? I will repeat for 100 times, no problem. But you should listen it. If you're not listening and saying repeat again and again, this will be a problematic. Sensors are not doing this. Effectors are doing this. And there is an agent who will take this action and ask effector to do this. Sensors will collect only information and they will give the information. Sensors cannot do operation. That's why they have named sensors. The things, mechanical devices which can do the mechanical operation, like mechanical operation, as I said, making any machine on, off, changing the status of that machine from low to high, high to medium. All these things are required mechanical operation, like manually we can do. So wherever there is a human intervention and manual operations are there, those operations performing devices are there. And those devices are called as effectors, actuators. Sensors don't have the capability. Sensors will just collect the information and they will send the data. Agent, when sensors are giving the data, we are writing a programs such a way that check the current value of temperature, and that value if above 22, then do the things, which actions, which things we should do, and those things we have written inside this book. That is condition action rule. And there we have defined that if room temperature is above 22, you require to decrease the room temperature by making AC, if it is currently on high, if it is currently on medium, then make it low. If room temperature is below 22, again condition is written here that if it is below 22, increase the temperature by making, if AC is off, make it on. If AC is on low, make it medium, like this. So these are the action rules. So currently we are receiving the signal from the sensor, data from the sensor to the agent. Agent means again it is a software program, remember. So we take the current state, status is 29. So we need to decrease it. We need to make it 22. And for that purpose, I have to make AC. Yes. If it is on low, make it medium. If it is on medium, make it high. So this action will give signal through the agent, through the mechanism by which I can send the signal to the effector, actuator. When actuator or effector will receive the signal that I have to turn AC from low to medium, he will make it. Medium is made, again, there will be stipulated 5 to 10 minutes break, or you can say delay. After that, again sensor will sense the data and send. Now it is suppose 22. Okay. Room temperature is maintained. When there is room temperature 22, as per the requirement, it is achieving the 22, no actions. No actions. So currently AC will run on medium. After some time, suppose after 2 hours, room temperature decreases below 18, again sensor will give this information. Then actions will be defined. Now make AC from medium to low. Effectors will do that. So this will be continuously based on the current status, and sensors are continuously 24/7 sensing the data and giving the data. We have to decide based on the data what action we require to do. And the agents which are doing, those are called simple reflex agents. Hope everybody will understand who's listening properly. Now anybody have any doubts? Anybody have any doubts? Okay, we go ahead. So there is example. Vacuum machine is there, which cleans the environments, cleans any surfaces wherever it can be reachable. So percept sequence. So here in table, hope this is visible to everybody. So A is, you can say, any surface, or here in picture it is shown A is a room. Here this is the dirtiness, and this we are assuming that it is a vacuum machine. So we'll check through the sensors A room, and if it is clean, no action, it's okay, everything is right. Suppose A is, we are receiving the perception information that it is dirty. Then what vacuum machine will do? It will clean it, right?
Sir, hello.
Yes.
Table is not visible, sir.
Slides are visible.
Yes. Yes, sir.
This is visible to you.
Table is not visible, sir.
Okay, but
Sir,
table
only
is
simple reflex agent slide is visible, sir.
simple.
Reflex agents.
हे दिसलं होतं. हे
तेच
visible
दिसतंय, sir.
बर, आता दिसतंय का?
No, sir.
आता दिसतंय का?
34 नंबरची स्लाइड दिसते सर फक्त.
ठीक, एक मिनिट. आता दिसतंय स्लाइड?
येस सर.
व्हॅक्यूम वर्ल्ड दिसतंय?
हो सर.
ज्यांना दिसत नव्हतं ते दिसतंय का?
Yes, sir.
ओके, गुड.
Yes, sir.
Is it visible now?
येस सर.
Vacuum world. Okay.
येस सर.
So here you can see A, and we have received a percept sequence. It is clean. As a vacuum machine, it will not take any action. Just message. Okay, right. In second scenario, we are receiving A is a dirty. So there is a need to do action by vacuum cleaner, and it will take the action and it will make it clean, right? So these are the actions which are defined. B, check, it is clean. Okay, that is your this side, left side. B is again, it is dirty. Again, take the proper action and make it clean. A clean, B clean, A dirty, B dirty. These are the perceptions. So wherever there is a small dirtiness on the surface, the vacuum machine will clean it automatically. No need to tell, or no need to make it on. So this is how the simple agents will work. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is visible now? Model-based reflex agents. Slide.
No, sir.
Okay. Click now. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir. Now it is visible.
Okay. So next is model-based reflex agents. So there is environment, there are sensors, there are actuators, and here we have one modification. So there is already one model is there, base or model is present. What we do, we collect the information from the environment through the sensors and will give this input to the models. Models will give me the feedback that what is the current status, and this model is calculating the state, or it is estimation, making estimation regarding the state. Based on the input, then and with the help of conditioning action rules, the actions are defined and actuators will take the action. So this is how it will work. So there is already, you can say, prepared, developed a model. This model will receive the data from the sensor and it will tell that what is the current status. In simple agents, there was this model is not there. The model was missing. Only we are collecting the information through the sensors, and based on the condition and action rule, we are defining the action and effectors are implementing the action. But here we are taking the help of one model which is present and which is used for estimation of state. So whenever there is a sensor which is receiving the data from the environment, sensing the data, these sensors will give that data. This data will be given to the model. Model will check based on the values and it will give some suggestion. Based on that suggestion and based on the condition and action rule, the actions are implemented, and those are implemented with the help of the actuators. So the agent which have the model are called model-based reflex agents. Sometimes these models will give you, based on the current status, current value of the sensors, that what is needed to do next, what action should you take, and then based on that suggestion of the action and checking the rule, the action is defined. So always we take the help of the model. So this is how the model-based reflex agents work. Next is goal-based agent. Again, goal. Now, why goal is required? Suppose for small parts, we do have a different requirement. We do have a different requirement. We have a goal. For example, we are appearing for unit test 1. So for unit test 1, our goal is to score maximum marks. Unit test 2, score maximum marks. Unit test 3, no need to score, because we know it is chosen base 2 out of 3. So we can have a relax. So that is our goal. Score in test 1, maximum marks. Score in test 2, maximum marks, and get relaxed for test 3. So as per goal, I am working. As per goal, I am working. In goal-based agents, forget about the example now. In goal-based agents, we do same thing. Sensors will receive the data through the environment. We give that to the model, will identify, and then model will suggest actions, and based on that, we check where we are currently and what is our goal. If I have scored 10 out of 25, so what it will be like if I do action A, and what is my goal? Based on that, next action is defined. If I am scoring below par in test 1, then my goal is to score good marks in at least 2 tests out of 3. Now in first test, I am only passed 10 marks out of 25. So what is my next goal? So goal will be defined here. So next goal is score at least 20 marks in test 2. Okay, test 2 action will take, will study, will appear for test 2 and will score 20 marks out of 25. Then again, now out of 2, I have achieved one goal missing. Then I will ask model will give me, now this is the next test and you have to be serious, because if in this test again you score 10, then your average is going down. Your goal is not going to achieve. And for that purpose, again you have to study, because you are not studying in test 1. So this is what it will be like if I do action A, goal is there. And this is the combination which will give me final action. Final action is that again score 20 marks in test 3. We will study actuators. It means we will take an action and we will score 20. Now why this is? Because our previous goal is defined that we will score in 2 tests good marks out of 3 tests which we have appear. If first scoring 120, second scoring 20 again, it means third test I can relax. If I score low in test 1, second and third I have to score 20. If first 20, middle less, third 20, same. So either in 2 tests I should score good marks. That is the goal. So such a way goal agents are working based on the goals, based on the requirement condition and current status. The goals are defined, the actions are defined. So this is how the goal based agents are working. Next is utility. Utility means you do have the performance indicators, and based on that you define, if I do this, what will be next its result. If I do this, what will be its result. And based on that, we are taking decision. Here goals are not there. Here performance indicators are there. So there are some small utilities. Again, same thing. Sensors will collect the data from the environments, which will be given to the model. Model will give us the status. Now, we define what it will be like if I do action A. So utility is there. How happy I will be in such a state if I take action. If I am not attending lectures properly, what will be my state? My state is that I will be missing information. So I have to hard study. I have to make study hard. I have to take extra efforts. So that is utility is what it is telling. Because my performance was low in first actions. Then next actions are defined. Next utility will be given. Then we implement same. Again, if I am low, again utility will give you the next actions. I will take actions. I will ask if I am not studying, if I am not concentrating, if I am not getting used to the knowledge which is delivered, definitely I will be scoring low in the examinations. So for every action, utilities will give you the what is required to do. Now forget about your test examination example. You assume that these are the agents. Agents are collecting the information from the environments. They will give this data to the model. Model will give you them the what is the state currently, and will define some actions, and what will be the effect of these actions will take help of utility. Utility will tell you, if you do this, this is the you can say result. If you do this, this is result. So we'll, based on that, we'll decide what is required to do and will implement as per the suggestion given by the utility and state, because it is given me where I am right now. Then I will define actions. Actions will be implemented using actuators. Why utility is required? Because sometimes the goals are changing, goals are not fixed, and sometimes conflict goals are there, and there we required to measure. And by taking measurement or measuring the thing, we can increase the performance, and there you require this kind of utility based agents. Still, you can compare this with goal based agents. Goal based agents, utility based agents are similar, but the disadvantages of goals are removed here in utility. In utility, you can take better decisions as compared to the goal based agents. And last one is a learning agent. Learning agents have the capability to learn and improve. So there are senses, there are some standards, performance standards are defined. Performance standards are defined. For example, if I give, if you have to appear in the campus Accenture, if we take, you should have a 60% marks in first year, second year, third year, fourth year. Or if in fourth year we are appearing, these 6 semesters or 7 semesters should have a 60% marks. So that is a performance standard which is defined. You can observe here in this figure. Then sensors will learn through the environment, collect the data through the environment given. Performance standard will give us the feedback regarding what is required. Then learning element and performance element, these are the two things. Currently I have scored, I am in third year, I have given examination of fourth semester, and I am in third year, fifth semester learning. I have scored 60-60 in first and second. Okay, performance standard is there. Okay, first year, second year, 60-60. Okay. Now, to achieve 60% marks, what I have done first and second year, that I have studied in PL, I have studied in regular, I have scored in test 1, test 2 and test 3 good marks. I am maintaining my attendance 75% regular, I am like regular, so all these things. So by making all these things, I can score 60%. That is what is we have learned. And to make it 70, make it 80, what is required? If previously I am studying for 8 hours, I need to study 10 hours. Previously, if in some subject I am lagging, I have to go for extra preparation of that subject. So that is what is a learning element. I will implement it and I will score from 60 to 70 in third year. Again, performance standard will give me in third year, second semester, you require to do this, that you should have a 60. Last time I have implemented some process, that is the learning element. And I have got this. So any changes are required? Yes, changes will be suggested. Previously you are working for, studying for 10 hours, now go for 12 hours. So from 75, you can go to 80. So this is how performance elements will be there. And if I am lagging again in some subject, in some programming languages, if in soft skill, those problem generator will give you what you need to do to improve in the soft skill, to improve in the languages, to acquire skills. Actuators, actions will be taken. So learning agent, this is a continuous process. And that's why learning agents are better than utility. Learning agents are better than goal-based agents, better than simple and model-based agents. Hope I'm clear to everyone. So these are the two models which are remained yesterday, learning agents and utility based agents. Simple funda is learning agents are always better, have better ability than utility based agents, because we are learning through. Learning for each and every examination. If we take the examination example, the test 1, I have done this, what is my score and what is required to improve performance. And this is continuous process, so that I will improve myself, learning every time, every way, and based on the learning I will increase my performance. That is a simple thing here. Learning based on the past experiences, historical data, this is implemented, and there we have this learning element, and problem generator will give us the historical data. If you do this is the result last time. And if you want to improve the results, again refine the policies, refine the process, increase the, if you are doing 5 things and you got the this much performance, next time you define 6, 7, 8 actions, so that your performance will be increased. Any doubt up to this? Utility based agents and mainly learning agents, those which we have concentrated, we have revised those who are absent, who are not concentrating. Goal based, model based, and simple and vacuum world, one more example, and with other examples. So these are the types of agents, 5 types of agents: simple, model based, goal based, utility based, learning. Any doubt? Anybody have any doubt? Hope, Sakshi, you are clear this time. Anybody else?
Yes, sir.
Good. Anybody else? Any doubt? Okay. So this is unit 1 for you. Unit 1 is finished. I'll upload the assignment questions. We'll go to last part for attendance. First 1 to 10 roll numbers. You can type your roll numbers in chat. 1 to 10. First 1 to 10. Okay, Alfia, listen. Your roll number is 61. 11 to 20. Roll number 11 to 20. Type your roll numbers. Over 11 to 20. 21 to 30. Roll number 21 to 30. 21 to 30. Over 31 to 40. 31 to 40. 31 to 40. Roll number 31 to 40. 40. Roll number 41 to 50. 41 to 50. Roll number 41 to 50. 50. Okay. Roll number 51 to 60. 51 to 60. 51 to 60. 60. Over 61 to 70. Roll number 61 to 70. 70. 61 to 70. Roll number 71 to 72. Okay. Thank you. You can leave the meeting. Thank you very much.
Sir, roll number 13 present आहे sir.
Okay. 13. ठीक. आणखी कोणी आहे? Okay. Thank you. Those who have given presenty, they can leave.